Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to another airdrop. Let's start the video. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, as I regularly upload highly profitable airdrop opportunities. This airdrop is launched by Croswap. If you're not familiar with Croswap, it's a platform similar to other decentralized exchanges. Now let's talk about Croswap, which has launched an Ethereum Layer 2 and AI platform that will be used for advertising and gaming. It currently has 449.7k followers, and it's about to reach 500k followers soon. This token is already trending in the pre-market with a trading price of around $0.30. The listing has been confirmed for October 23rd. The token will be listed on exchanges like Gitdot, BitGet, and Bybit, which will be announced soon, helping it gain even more traction. Now, let's discuss how you can participate in this airdrop. First, click the link to the website, which is in the description. It's simple. Enter your email address, and you'll move to the next step. Here, you'll see a list of tasks to complete. The first task is to create an account on Bybit. If you haven't done that yet, the link is also in the video description. After creating the account, copy your Bybit UID and enter it on the airdrop page to complete the task. Then, you'll need to deposit to your address. Select the Ethereum or Crosscoin network and input your wallet address. The other tasks are simple, like following and retweeting on Twitter. Complete as many tasks as possible to earn points, which will increase your chances of receiving more tokens during the airdrop. The more tasks you complete, the more points you accumulate, and those points will be converted into tokens when the campaign goes live. Don't wait. Complete all the tasks as soon as possible to maximize your rewards. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.